boys and girls. Yes, I'm back again. We're going to go haul off some beans. I've been cutting for the past 2 weeks. We got a little sidetracked due to a bearing going out. So that's been the main reason why I've been filming that, and it's just kind of been, I've had to deal with other stuff in life, so here we are. Anyway, we're getting beans hauled this morning. I'm going to come back right afterward, go sow a hayfield in some Kentucky fescue, Kentucky 31, and cut tonight. And hopefully we'll work till dark for that. Follow me on the magical adventure that is this beautiful video of Green Pastures Farms. Well, here we are over here at the church. It's been a while since we've been in a combine before, but then again, we've certainly had a bit of a hiatus. It's been a very thick stand, as you can tell by what's getting up on the header there. These beans were especially thick. They're also laid over in a lot of spots. And then we get into one of the grassy sections. It's like half straw, half bean out here, and I don't really know why. Don't worry, we will actually have a reason to have straw out here. I'm putting wheat in right behind this section. I went and hauled the beans off about 11 o'clock today. I got up earlier to go try and do it, but my cab tractor was not cooperating. So we had to pull that out of the way so I could get to the wagon, because that's what it was hooked up to, the John Deere. Pulled it out of the way. I got it at the house on a battery tender, and hopefully it'll be able to start up for me. I don't want to leave it out overnight, but we might actually have to. I don't know. We might just put it in neutral and push it back in. Either way, I got the 4600 hooked up to the wagon right now. And that's what I've been loading into for the past little bit. Pardon me. Anyway. Like it was last year, mostly grass. Nothing too eventful. We've been yielding pretty well out of this field. I think better than we were last year. Mainly because I did go back and re-sow it with a heavier prescription. And there we go, popping out a gear. Anyway, I would go back and re-sow it with a higher prescription. Now we're getting back into some beans. In it. I don't know exactly how many acres I've truly covered. I wish I had a little screen over here that tells me all that, but I don't. So, we're getting a lot of it done anyway. We've done filled up to the brim of the bed extension. You can't really see through that with all the dust and the rust. But we are making good time. We're making good way. I think we should be able to fill that wagon up by tonight. I have managed to fill that wagon with at least 140 40 some bushels into it. So that's the max amount I've carried with it, and it was pulling fairly well. I did have to have two guys push me up the hill at the granary though. They have their unload at the top of a little mound in their driveway. And it was gravel and my truck's two-wheel drive, so that's always fun. Anyway, we're about to separate it both into two sections, an upper half and a lower half, and I might unload here in a moment. We'll change direction. Cut through here. Got the gravity wagon on top of the hill. 4600 up there. So far we're making pretty good time though. Think about tall beans. They fall right over. These beans right here were about chest high when I was spraying them, which I'm 5'11", so that's a good 3 to 4 feet. Some bushels of soybeans this morning, and also sold about 6 rolls of hay today as well. So everything's coming together. Any of y'all are interested in any hay? I got rolls of barley. Granted, you're going to need a tractor or at least a good pair of arms to throw that thing off. So I got barley rolls, 30 bucks a roll. So if you're interested, by all means, hit me up in my Instagram DMs. Also, if you're looking for any cheap gifts, $10 to a shirt. I got only large sizes. They're short sleeve. Hit me up on Instagram for any details about those. If y'all want anything shipped, great little Christmas gifts. Try to have this video out before Christmas so y'all can have the opportunity to get them in. Either way, if you're looking for a gift, I got some merch. I got one thing of merch. I'm gonna try and get some more stuff in by the first of the year. So if y'all are looking for any other options such as hats, anything like that, please follow my Instagram. You can keep up with all that information. I post fairly regular updates about merch anyway. At least whenever I get new stuff in, I post about it. I've only got one load of stuff in, so there's only one post about it right now. But follow me on the link below, or at me at Green Pastures 1866. over to combining. My moisture this morning was 12.7. They say anything over 13 I get docked for, so things should be looking good. Soybean prices have been looking great here lately. I got a fuel bill coming in soon. Not looking forward to that one next year. I'm just glad all my stuff is older than dirt, so that way I don't have to buy the depth fuel. That government juice is Brown Farms likes to call it. Not creating too much room for myself over here, so I am kind of having to maneuver around in such a cramped space. After I get this strip finished with, I'm going to run across the road and go get my grain cart, bring it over here. On this little patch right here. We had to stop the other night due to electrical failures as well as it getting extremely dark. So either way, I went and bought a new battery for this combine yesterday, put it in it, and now it's running as fine as it can anyway. That alternator light is it's a brand new battery, so I'm not expecting that alternator light to go out just yet, but still. Pardon me. last load of beans for 2020, at least from this field, from right out of this combine. Thank y'all for, well, that's the end of Harvest 2020. Condensed it into a week video because really not much content going on anyway. So, I apologize for the lack of content. It's been a rough couple weeks, and I've also had a bunch of work and everything going on, so it's just, I had no time to make a video. Anyway, follow me on Instagram. Links to that will be down in the description. If you've stayed this long, like, subscribe, leave a comment. I like talking to y'all. If y'all ever leave me any good comments down there, I'm tired of seeing bots. Other than that, I will see y'all in the next video. Hopefully that will be wheat planting. I've already got about 8 acres sowed in that, so stay posted, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.